Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm not going to say you'll ever do this, but it might give you some insight on doing this, a continuous squiggly line that's basically copied over and over and over. We're going to take a ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and I'm going to enlarge that. Now we're working the center of the page, so I'm going to take two 2-point lines, or really just one, and hit P, and then I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. And you could do any amount of degree. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. So I've got my nudge factor set on like 10 inches, so I'm going to set and fill that in and nudge it out of the way. Now I'm going to left click, right click. Now, to make the starting and stopping points, don't move this one, but Control D and make a duplicate and move this one down. That's going to give us this line. I'm actually going to make it red so we can kind of remember that we can draw now in any side of this black box. So you don't really want to start going up or down. You want to kind of start even. I'm going to use the freehand tool set on 100 so it's smooth. So I'm going to come right off that, and then I'm actually going to go down, and my artistic ability lacks a lot with the mouse. And, maybe you could come down, because you could come down pretty far. You could actually maybe write somebody's name in here. That might be another good video. And then come out on that exit. But we need to kind of be at a flat point. So we're going to take and go like maybe even a little bit further flat. So they're going to kind of join together. We can adjust them in a minute. Now see here, I kind of got off. So we're going to go, as long as it's kind of coming in there. Now I'm going to leave the red box for a second, because what I'm going to do now is select the line, and I'm going to make it, well, that's too thick. Let's make it 6 points. And always remember, if 6 isn't listed, you can type in any number. I could type in 6, 5, 7, whatever I want. So that's pretty good. But then I want to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. To me, it's a lot easier. That did really well. That's a little bit off, but see, now that it's an object, we can move this node to this line, because the line is going to cause that problem. And you could change it, if you don't like your whoop-de-doos. So I'm going to now nudge it back over. Control D and make a duplicate and move the center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, so I'm going to double check, and it is. Now we did 10 degrees on both sides, so that's 20. So I'm going to go 20 degrees. Control D, Control D. And before you do this, you might want to look at your joints and make sure they're good. I was pretty confident that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And then you can take your Alt key and slice through there and select both those lines and get rid of your outer line. And there you have. Now, one last step I would do is to weld it all together. And just go up here and weld. And then that way it's all one big happy reef. That would be cool to do somebody's name in there. I can almost see the letter or a number 5 and an L. But anyway, kind of a neat project. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.